Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Mac. While Fortnite isn't directly available for Mac OS, you can still enjoy the game through cloud streaming platforms. This method allows you to access the game remotely, bypassing the need for a native installation. You'll need a reliable internet connection, ideally with low latency, to ensure a seamless and enjoyable gaming experience on your Apple device. One excellent way to play Fortnite on your Mac is through Xbox Cloud Gaming. This service requires an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which grants you access to a vast library of games, including Fortnite. You'll want to connect a compatible controller for the best experience, as it's designed for console-style play. Ensure your internet speed is at least 20 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Another fantastic option is NVIDIA GeForce Now. This service streams Fortnite directly to your Mac, allowing you to play without a powerful local graphics card. GeForce Now offers both a free tier, with standard access, and paid memberships that provide priority access, extended session lengths, and improved graphics. For the most reliable and high-quality stream, we highly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection. To ensure the best possible Fortnite experience on your Mac, there are a few optimization tips. First, close any applications running in the background to free up system resources. Second, always prioritize a high-speed, low-latency internet connection, ideally wired, to minimize input lag. Finally, for competitive play, consider investing in a dedicated gaming mouse and keyboard for enhanced precision and responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.